I don't know why I look so orange. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be unboxing two boxes today. I have got the regular Boxycharm for the month of April and the Boxy Luxe for the month of April. So we're going to be doing both today. That is right, you guys. I did get both of these in the mail a couple days ago and I really want to unbox them for you. I have already cut the little tape, the little seam, but I have not opened them or seen anything that's inside them yet, so I am very excited. Anyways, and if you're new to the channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on into the unboxings. So if you guys do not know, Boxycharm in general, this is not sponsored. I just like Boxycharm a lot. This base box is $25 a month. I think it's $20 or $25 a month. And you do get a bunch of full-size products. And the products in here are all full-size and they're all from brands that we know and love. So nothing that like you never really hear of before. They've got like Tarte, Benefit, Toothpaste, a bunch of actual good brands, and then the Boxy Luxe box is a bigger subscription box and it is $35 a month, and again you just get like a bunch of, you know, bigger things. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the little one first, and I don't know what the theme is. I haven't really seen very many spoilers on Instagram either, so I'm kind of left in the dark. I know there's one thing that could be in the box, but I'm not sure if I got it in my variation of the box, so I don't know. Ooh. So I've got some things, and here's a little pamphlet. This is weird. So this is a little pamphlet. This is not the normal kind of like little thing that you would get inside your Boxycharm. It doesn't tell you the prices of anything on here. Like, it doesn't tell you what you got or anything. It's just a thing for the makeup eraser, which I have a makeup eraser in there, but I didn't get one in this box, so I don't know why. I mean, it is a coupon, so that's really cool. So it is a coupon on here to get 20% off of your purchase of a makeup eraser. That's really nice. But I don't see the other thingy. Anyways, I just thought it was a little weird that I didn't see the other little card that we normally get. Anyways, here's some stuff. I'm so excited. It's a little sneak peek for you guys. First things first that I'm seeing here, this is from Benefit. This is the Professional Primer. This is the is it hydrating? No, this one's not the hydrating one. Okay, so I cannot use this primer because it's not hydrating. I have tried to use it in the past and it is a bit too drying on me, but my mom loves this primer to actual bits, so I will definitely give this one to her. She does love this primer. For some reason I think maybe this is one that I did see online that you could have gotten this one or the hydrating one. I don't really know. I do have on my profile that my skin type is dry, so I don't know if they had both options. I don't know why they would send me this one. You would think they would send me the one for dry skin because I had that on my profile. At least I think I do anyways. I could just be lying to you. Let me check. Yeah, I do have it here. I have it listed right there. My skin type is dry. So I had to make sure that that actually is one of the, like, they ask you that question because I figured they did. Okay, so I do like this. My mom is gonna get a huge use out of this, but it is kind of weird that they would send me this one when I have on my profile that I have dry skin. I don't know, it's just something to think about, but this is nice. Next up, I have this from Iconic London. This is a illuminator. Now, I have seen this used pretty often on YouTube. This, please do not mind my nails, I need to paint them. You could use this as a liquid highlighter. You could probably use this underneath your foundation as like a really brightening effect. I think that's what people normally use it for. But this is really, really nice. I think Iconic London is actually quite expensive as well. We got some brushes next. Oh, these are really cute. These are kind of, these are like rainbow brushes. They're by the brand Lavish. I have not heard of this brand before. They're actually really cute. This one right here is a taper blending brush. I do love tapered blending brushes. I think they're definitely very useful for like getting up in your crease. This one seems very nice. It's got a little spoolie on one end, and then you could use this for like your eyebrows or maybe even like a winged eyeliner. This one seems to be kind of like a packer brush, so you could pick up product and like pack it on. That one's really cool. This one is like teeny tiny and I haven't seen one like this. It's a teeny tiny liner brush. And then this one I will absolutely use. I think to be honest, I think I would use all of these. I don't think one of these is gonna go to waste, but this one is definitely a perfect under eye or inner corner highlight brush. Definitely very happy with these. I will use them for sure, and they're all such pretty colors. Look at that. Okay, got two more things in the box. This first one is some lashes. Ooh, nice. Okay, so we have gotten this brand from Boxy before. These are the Baddington lashes, I do believe. Yeah. And I have been wearing lashes again recently. I know, like crazy, right? But I don't usually wear them if I'm just doing my makeup for being around the house. But if I know I'm gonna be filming or doing them for pictures, then I will wear lashes to give my eyes some. These look really nice. They kind of look a bit more, I don't actually know how to describe lashes because I'm not super versed in them. These do look nice. These look massive. Not like they look long, so I will definitely have to cut these. But they look really pretty. I'm excited to try them out. Next time I do my makeup, I will try these and use them. And then lastly, something is in like an actual bag that I need to like undo, so one sec. Alrighty, and I got this undone finally. This is a palette from Zoeva. It is my first Zoeva palette. This is in this, oh, here's what the packaging looks like. This is the taupe palette. I have never seen this one before. It's kind of weird. I haven't seen this one. I have seen Zoeva palettes, but I've never picked one up. I don't know why, but I have never seen this one. Oh, okay. These are very cool tone shades. They're extremely cool toned. I don't know if this is something that I would have picked out for myself, honestly. I think the palette's very nice and I'm happy with the palette, but I have to say I don't think that I would have picked these shades out for myself, honestly. I think it's cool. I think the packaging is really nice, but it's not Boxy's fault. They just kind of, I'm sure they just kind of like pick a palette and just kind of put it in your box. I don't know. I felt like I would have preferred something a little different, but maybe I am judging this a little too harshly. I will try this out and then maybe I'll do like a review on it, do a video or whatever, and see what I think of it, because who knows? I do like cool tone shades and I could just be knocking this before I try it. So let me shut up, but I do like it, genuinely. And that is everything that's in the box. I don't have a card to show you guys what the prices are for these, which is definitely very strange. They normally always put in a card, so I don't know. I mean, here, this is a card, but they normally always put in like how much everything costs. That's weird that they don't put in how much everything costs. I genuinely don't know how much everything would cost anyways. Maybe it was just kind of like a weird month for Boxy. I don't hate this box. I don't hate it by any means. Have I gotten better ones? Yes. Have I gotten worse ones? Yes. So it's pretty alright. I'm not mad at it. So now we're getting into this big boy right here. This is the it's the Boxycharm Premium box. So opening this up here. Okay. So the first thing that I just saw just made me like kind of roll my eyes. And this is no one's fault. Literally no one's fault. I just saw it. I get so many things from pharmacy. It's freaking nuts. But I am grateful to be on pharmacy's PR list, and I love pharmacy so much. So I do use this all the time, but I have been sent so many things from pharmacy before that I'm just like,
I don't know when I'm going to be able to use this.
But I have another one of these. I love this mask, by the way. This is literally nothing bad to say about pharmacy or about Boxy when it comes to that, because they don't know how many of these I have. Like they don't know that. But this is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I do love this mask. Again, really nice mask. I think that it's freaking stunning. The packaging in general is so beautiful. Here's what the mask looks like. I can't talk today. Here's what the mask looks like. And it's so cute. It's like a little honey pot. Look how adorable. I love this mask a whole ton. Next up, we got this from Opulent Beauty. I haven't heard of this brand either when it comes to brushes. Now, this one right here, I feel like I may get some use out of. I could do like powder under my eyes. I could definitely do that with this one. Really nice. Now these two, I don't know what I would use them for, if I'm being totally honest. This one seems like it's a bit too loose, like a bit too loosey-goosey to be a foundation brush, but I have honestly no idea. This one is huge, so maybe like a bronzer brush or something like that. I'll definitely try it out and see. So these two I think that I will get some use out of. This one, I don't know about her, but if I see someone else use it for something, then I may use it more and understand it. Because right now I don't know what I would use it for. Next up, we got this from La Vida. I don't know, it's La Vida inspired by nature. Age Away Replenishing Cream. I don't know what this is. It says grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. What's Melissa? Using circular motions, massage this deeply moisturizing, age-defying moisture cream into slightly damp, freshly cleansed skin until absorbed. Ooh! So maybe it's like a super crazy intense moisturizer? Mama loves that. And by mama, I mean me. Cool! The slightly damp, I'm gonna use this. When I take my makeup off tonight, I am absolutely gonna be using this and seeing what it does. Because if it helps my skin for like, you know, being dry and everything, absolutely I will try this out. I'm just now noticing, I didn't get a little pamphlet in here at all. Boxy, what the crap? I didn't get a little pamphlet in here whatsoever. I didn't get one of these. So, I don't know the prices of the stuff in here either. I hope that wasn't done on purpose or anything. I don't think it was, but like, I don't know. This is nice. I'm excited about this. Next up, we got this from Becca. Ooh, it's a blush. This is a luminous blush in the shade Camellia. This looks really pretty, or I haven't looked at it yet, but oh, hell yeah. This is okay. I love pink blush. I am all about pink blush. I know a lot of people use like peach or kind of like a terracotta orangey color. I'm all about pink blush, but this is very shiny, it's very shimmery, so I don't know, maybe I could use it like a blush topper maybe, like over here, but it is very, very pretty. It says, inspired by Becca's best-selling shimmering skin perfector, this luminous blush creates a flush of radiant color in a range of delicate and feminine shades. Wear on its own or as a blush topper to add dimension to any look. Done. I'm going to use it as a blush topper because I don't think I can just get away with wearing sparkly blush. I don't know about that, mate. Ooh, Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty is quite expensive. This is the Phyto Pigments liquid. Ooh, it's a liquid lip. That's fun. It's in the shade Drew. Ooh, this looks pretty. I've never used a Juice Beauty liquid lip before, but I have used many a Juice Beauty products. Ooh, this is so fun for summer. Look at that. It's like this corally pink color, and it's not like a matte liquid lip, but it's not a gloss either. It's one of those that kind of have the same texture, so it has a matte, no, that's a lie. It's a liquid lip, but it has a lot of pigment, and it kind of feels like a gloss, but it's not a gloss. You know what I mean? I don't know. This is actually super nice, and I will absolutely be wearing this shade. We got one more thing in the box here, and this is from Wonder Beauty, the Mile High. Ooh, this is mascara. Legit thought this was like concealer or something. I don't know what I was thinking. This is from Wonder Beauty, like I just said. It is, I've heard a lot of good things about this mascara, I think. The Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Wow, I think I have heard a lot of good things about this mascara. I'm hyped and I'm excited to try this out for sure, for sure. Very cool, I'm excited, Kiba. Please don't look for a place to pee-pee. Every time you start sniffing around, it really makes me nervous. Oh, are you going to sit down? Okay. But you have your bone here. Why you no play with bone? You like bone. Do you feel okay? You ate your breakfast. This is really nice. I am excited about this for sure. Not bad, you guys. The boxes, honestly, I'm not too mad about the boxes, but then again, I am kind of weirded out that there's no, I'm not too mad. I'm not mad at all. It is a little bit weird that there's no pricing on any of this stuff. That is kind of strange to me. I feel like if there's no pricing, then that means that maybe they didn't want anyone to know the pricing of the stuff this month. I have no idea. Maybe it was a weird month for Boxy. I still personally like the stuff I got. I don't have really many complaints. That's gonna be the video, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you got the boxes that I did, what did you think? What did you get as well? Like, tell me what your variation was. I would definitely want to know that. But yeah, you guys, it's going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.